Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Doctor. Today I'll show you how to search for specific videos on TikTok. First, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your phone. Then, open the TikTok app. You'll land on your homepage where you can browse through trending videos and content from creators you follow. Now, look at the top of your screen and tap on the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass in the top right corner. Once you tap that, you'll see a search bar. Type in any keyword, hashtag, or topic you're looking for. For example, you can search for cooking recipes, dance tutorials, or any creator's name. After you search, TikTok will show you the top results. Now, tap on the Videos tab at the top to filter and see only video results related to your search. And there you go. You'll now see all the videos matching your search query. You can scroll through and watch any video you like. That's how you easily search for videos on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Doctor for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.